In this video I will show you how to turn on the electronics for the first time. In the last video we saw how we could get the PCBs thanks to JLCPCB and how to solder it. Remember that is easy get the PCB thanks to JLCPCB. I leave a link in the pinned comment with a discount for new user. First, I make sure that the power supply is supplying 12 volts. Remember to turn off the power every time a new item is connected to the electronics. We start with the voltage converter, regulate the small potentiometer until we obtain 5 volts. We continue with the stepper motor driver, same procedure, in this case a value slightly above 0.4. In this way we will supply 1 amp to the motor, which will be enough and it will not heat up. Now let's load the firmware to the Wemos. Connect it to a PC and download the firmware, only the bin file is necessary. Also download the software SFOAM Flasher and open it. Select the serial port and the previously downloaded firmware and press the Flash ESP button. Wait until you see the message "Done. Flashing is complete." Now you can plug it into the electronics. If the internal LED blinks, it is a sign that everything went well. Now you can connect to Pedalot Wi-Fi and navigate to IP19216841. Now is a good time to connect the filament sensor, the MOSFET and the thermistor, and check that the temperature readings are correct and that the filament sensor is working. Finally, with the electronics off, connect the motor cable and check that it works. Thanks to JLCPCB for sponsoring this video series, and leave in the comments any questions you may have. I will try to answer them all.